Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of PlayWright. In this tutorial, we will learn how to open two different browsers at the same time and perform different tasks on it. So let's get started. So first of all, we will create one TypeScript class. So click on new file, name that file. Suppose that I'm giving it to browser context dot spec dot ts. Now what you have to do is you have to import some things like import first of all test, then page, and from where we have to import this, we have to import this from @playwright test, void semicolon, and change the spelling of from. So that's it, importing is done. I think there is spelling mistake. Yeah, now it is done. Now what you have to do is create one test, name it as test browser context. After naming, just type async, then provide this, and then equal sign, greater sign, this one. And now what you have to do is you have to create one browser context to launch the browser. So write constant browser is equal to await chromium. You can do you can use WebKit also, or you Firefox also. So I'm using chromium dot launch. I think we have to import the chromium. So type here chromium. Yeah, just click enter. Now the error is gone. Launch bracket start, curly bracket start. Now type headless to run the. If you provide false here, then the browser will open in headed mode. If you provide true here, then the browser will open in headless mode. And provide channel, chromium, chrome. So it's done. Now you have to open two new context browser with this one browser. How you can achieve that? Type constant browser context one equals to, sorry, browser context equals to await browser dot new context. Create page for that context browser, page one, page is equal to await browser context one dot new page. Now just copy paste these two lines to create second browser context. So that's how we have created two browser windows, page 1 and page 2. Now go to some site like amazon.in, await, page 1 dot go to bracket start, type the URL. So URL is amazon.com, paste it here. Now we have to do some operation on it. Suppose that I want to click this in my first browser context, and second one is I will click on this Amazon Mini TV. So let's get the XPath of this one. So let's get the ID XPath. Copy this XPath. Then go to this and page 1 dot locator bracket start. Copy paste the locator. Change this with this one. Dot click. Now what I have done with my first browser, I have to go to amazon.com, then I have to click on this fresh thing. Now let's do some different operations on my second browser. So just replace it with 2. Now let's get the X part of this thing. Copy the X path and paste it here. Replace this with column, sorry, double quote. So what we are doing here, we created two browser context from this browser, Chrome, browser context 1, browser context 2. Then what we are doing, we are using browser context 1 to launch amazon.com and clicking on this fresh button. And from browser context 2, we are launching amazon.in and clicking on this top nav. So now run the browser, sorry, run the test. So how you will run the test? That option is not coming. Okay, let's run this through command. Go to the terminal. Now you don't have to provide this headed thing because we have provided headless false. Run that command. Something is happened here. No test found. What happened? Deleted? We have not deleted anything. Let's create new file. Browser context dot spec dot ts. And copy paste the code here. Okay. Oh, so I created the browser.context file in test class. Delete this one. So that's why that uh, runner is not coming. Runner was not coming. Click on this runner, right click, reveal in text bar. So you can see Chromium already selected, show browser is already selected. Now run the test. You can see Windows open. First one, click on fresh browser. Second open. Uh, it did not wait. It clicked but did not wait for 2 seconds. Let's do not exit the browser. So how you can achieve that? Promise bracket bracket again equal sign this. Uh, this one is not having bracket. Remove this. Uh, remove this. Now it should be okay. Why it is giving error? Yeah, now the error is moved. Let's run it again. So browser open. On browser 1, click on fresh. On browser 2, click on Amazon Mini TV. So that's how you can perform two different operations on two different browsers. So this can be very helpful in like suppose that you want to log in with two different users, user one and user two, want to check between them. So you can log in with user one in this window and user two in this window. Then you can chat from this one to this one and this one to this. So that's it about browser context. Thank you for joining.